You're not failing because life is hard. You're failing because you hide behind your own fear. Listen up. This isn't about luck. It's about you, your choices, your excuses. Here's the first brutal fact. You complain about your busy life, yet you binge Netflix every night. Every hour you scroll is an hour you'll never get back. That's not downtime. It's self-sabotage in digital form. Second truth bomb. You call yourself not ready because you crave comfort. You'd rather rehearse your future success in your head than actually risk anything. Dreams don't die because you tried and failed. They die because you never tried at all. One more for the road. You fear judgment more than you value growth. So you stay small, played safe, invisible, and every day you wake up deeper in that hole. Ready to escape loser mode? Here's the one change that shatters the cycle. Start with 2 minutes of real discomfort. Today, cold shower, random outreach, a genuine apology, anything that makes you flinch. Because pain is the currency of progress. Stop treating discomfort like the enemy. It's your ticket out. Every time you choose what's hard over what's easy, you grow stronger. No more pity parties, no more half-assed goals. Either you step into the arena or you stay buried in excuses. The clock is ticking. Prove you're not a loser right now.